It's another controversial day in the glitzy and glamorous world of Bollywood, and Bollywood is here to fill you in on the deets. From Sanoj Mishra announcing a film titled Sushant to Soni Razdhan adding a new perspective to the nepotism debate, and Bollywood banding together to slam China's dog meat festival, here are all the top headlines. Just over 10 days after the untimely death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, filmmaker Sanoj Mishra has announced that he will be making a film titled Sushant. Said to be the second film on the actor, this one, the filmmaker clarified, will not be a biopic, but will tell the story of strugglers who come to Mumbai to find a place in Bollywood. And apparently, the film will have an element of tragedy, as it will tell the tale of those forced to take drastic steps in Bollywood due to harassment. What say you? Will you be interested in catching this flick? And while we are talking about Bollywood, let's address the only topic everyone wants to have a say in, and that is nepotism. In a series of tweets, director Hansal Mehta addressed the same and used his own example of being a father wanting to support his son's Bollywood dreams. His tweets earned an interesting reaction from Alia Bhatt's mother Soni Razdhan, who added a new perspective to the debate, saying, "Those who are ranting about nepotism today and who have made it on their own will also have kids one day. And what if they want to join the industry? Will they stop them from doing so?" A very interesting question, don't you think? To know what Hansal had to say about that, head on over to E-Times to read it in full detail. In a worrisome update that came our way, noted choreographer Saroj Khan was hospitalized after she complained of breathing trouble. She had been admitted to the hospital and underwent a COVID-19 test, which we're happy to say turned out negative. Sharing the latest updates about her health, director Kunal Kohli shared that Saroj ji is better now. Phew, we could get used to some more happy news. While we all still await the end of this looming and lingering COVID threat, New Zealand, that recently declared it was a COVID-free country, is ready to roll up the shutters and open the theatre doors again for its citizens. Interestingly, the first Bollywood film to play on their big screens tomorrow will be Rohit Shetty's hit flick Golmaal Again, starring Ajay Devgan, Arshad Varsi, Tushar Kapoor. The director shared the exciting news with fans and even released the poster with the updated details. In other news, Bollywood stars from Anushka Sharma to Kartik Aaryan and even Ridhima Kapoor Sahani have banded together to condemn China's Dog Meat Festival that kicked off this week. Taking to their handles, the celebs called for the end of the annual 10-day festival and even shared some of the cutest photos with their pooches. And that's a wrap for today. Don't forget to fly by tomorrow for your daily dose of entertainment, gossip and more. Until then, bye-bye.